So my name is Swann Duboz. I work for Naval Group Belgium. It is a Belgian subsidiary of Naval Group, a French company hiring over 16,000 people and present in almost 20 countries. And we are warship constructors and system assemblers, basically. I myself am a cybersecurity architect. I have worked in the industrial sectors for quite a bit. Different sectors are trains, wind farms, energy, and more recently in the maritime sector at Naval Group. I am here to represent the maritime sector, which is one end user for the DYNAMO platform. The maritime sector has undergone a big change of paradigm recently with the COVID and with the war in Ukraine. It has become very much digitalized, and we now have autonomous drones, which is increasing the risk of cyber attacks on those ships who are exposed as they are now made of digital systems. So from the maritime's perspective, what we want to obtain from the DYNAMO project is a method and a specifically tailored platform used for testing the resilience of systems against cyber attacks. As of today, Naval Group has the capacity to monitor the cyber health of its own systems and to do CTI for its own systems, but do not feed the understanding of the attacks from other industries and what's going on in the other industrial companies. The objective is that we are then capable of feeding our understanding and our supervision of the maritime assets from what happens in other industries and the attacks that are going on for other critical infrastructures. So it will be mostly focused on looking at how attackers and ATP target some specific industrial systems and then pivot from there to attack other more important systems. The most exciting part of DYNAMO is to develop a state-of-the-art CTI solution that would be able to gather and interconnect the information from different critical infrastructure. Energy is an end user that is present in every day's and everyone's actions. Whatever you do has required or is requiring actively some energy. So it is like an immensely critical infrastructure. Healthcare, I don't think I need to go into explaining how important it is, but you need it to work at any time because you don't know when you are going to need an emergency saving, basically. Maritime is responsible for 80% of the global world trade, and we have seen it in the past when something happens in the maritime world and the maritime world stops, then all the economy freezes and you see it down to your supermarkets in just days or eventually weeks on some products, and they are not available anymore. The world is so globalized today that the maritime sector is essential for the economy, and if we're not capable of trading goods and sending them physically from one place to another, everything freezes and we're not able to fulfill our most basic needs. What's very exciting about this project is to merge these three very critical infrastructure, energy, maritime, healthcare, and combine the CTI from these three critical infrastructure to create cyber bridges between the industries and create a more resilient future.